Welcome to another vlog, you guys, for VLOGMAS. So I realized that I didn't post yesterday because I don't really plan on posting on the weekends because I really do be trying to take like some time off. And so I forgot to tell you guys there won't be a post on the weekends. I did post one on Saturday, but it was because I was supposed to post it like Friday, I think. So anyway, we are going to take family pictures today for Christmas, family Christmas photos. We haven't taken family pictures in years. And I don't know why, we don't think about it. I don't think about it. I don't plan it. So I'm actually planning, I planned it. I've been on the kids. I've been on the husband, all of that, about making sure him and my son are together. So yeah, I'm about to wash my face and do what I need to do to get myself together. I think I might show y'all my makeup look. I'll just kind of chit chat, I think, with you guys while I do my makeup. So yeah, right now I'm about to hop in the shower, get myself together and get ready because I take forever to get ready. It literally takes me a couple hours at least to get myself completely fully ready. Luckily I did my hair for the most part yesterday. I added some clip-ins just so I could have just straight hair, keep it simple. So I wouldn't have much to do today. And yeah, let's get into this vlog. Hopefully there'll be a lot to do today because I don't know. I think we'll probably go out to eat afterwards, maybe do some Christmassy stuff afterwards. Who knows? We're gonna find out together. So this is pretty much my skincare routine that I do pretty much every day. When I do my nighttime routine, I usually will start with the oil cleanser that I got from Sowasu from Amazon. Or when I went to Amazon, they gifted this set. And then I'll do this pretty much every day. This has been the cleanser, so it's gentle cleansing foam. So I usually will do that. That's what I use most days. I was using the Fenty Skin, but it just felt like it was a little bit harsh for my skin. And then what was I using before this? I don't remember, but that's what I've been loving, y'all. This is such good skincare. Like when they had me at the Amazon Summit because they were saying how much younger people's skin looks that have been using it for like 20 plus years. So definitely highly recommend. I plan to buy it once I'm out. And then the Laneige, I got this as a gift as well. But this is the Laneige like toner. It's a moisturizing toner, so that's a good thing because I do feel, well, I do this during the day when I do my morning skincare. At night, I do the whole Sulwhasoo routine, which after I do the cleanser, I follow up with the First Care Activating Serum. And then I follow up with the ginseng concentrate or concentrated ginseng from same brand, Sulwhasoo. And then moisturizer and eye cream. This is the moisturizer, this is the eye cream. I'll follow up with those. That's my nighttime routine recently. I change it a lot because my skin changes. So right now my skin is more dry. When it's warmer, it's oilier. But like I said, but during the day, I feel like that does such a good job of like moisturizing. I feel like it's a little too much for me before I do my skincare or before I do my makeup during the day, because it's drier right now, but it still can get oily. So I use the cleanser and then I follow up with the toner, like I said, from Laneige. I'm becoming a Laneige girly, I think. Because I'm really liking the products. I was wondering if it was just the hype. So I was glad that they gave us some to try. And I realized that no, it's not just hype. It really is good stuff. So I might be getting more into the Laneige line, but I do like the toner. And then once I do the toner, I normally will do the IT Cosmetics glycolic acid / hyaluronic acid, but I actually forgot to get some more of this, so I'm pretty much about out of this. Like, I'm down literally to the last drop. If I can even get a drop out, I don't even know. Okay, so that's pretty much it for that bottle. I'll probably try to go get some. I meant to get some more when I was at Sephora the other day, and normally before I even do this step, but it looks like it might be getting skipped. No, I'll still do it, whatever. I normally will, well, here recently I've been doing the essence that I got from Ski. I guess that's, or SK, I don't know how you even pronounce this brand. But before I had an essence from, who was it from? Fresh. I had Fresh Essence first, or last. I ran out of that and I started using this because they gifted it to me. And then I like this, but I do like the Fresh Essence better. But even before I started using the Fresh Essence, what was the name? I want to say it was Estee Lauder had an essence. I'll have to see if I can find it. Whenever I run out of this, I'm sure I'll probably buy some more. I'll let somebody give something to me. Then I'm going to just save my coins. But I will say I do recommend an essence if you haven't tried that before. Fresh is more affordable, I think, than this. I don't honestly know how much this costs. But I'll do an essence. And then I also love this Lancome or Lancome. I'm going to try to start pronouncing it correctly because I pronounce it like I'm from the South, because I am. But Lancome, I think this is how you pronounce it. The Genifique, Advanced Genifique. So I would normally do toner, essence, and then this, and then the IT Cosmetics. I don't know what I was just thinking where I just put that on first. But yeah, this right here just helps to even my texture of my skin so that when I do go in with my makeup, it's not as textured. My skin is very textured. Not only do I have, you know, little freckles / moles, they're very genetic. They run very deep in my family. And I forget about my neck a lot, but I also have very big pores. And so my skin itself is nice and, you know, clear and healthy for the most part. I just don't like how big my pores are. So that helps with the texture, I believe. And then, yeah, once I put on this is supposed to be the last thing that I put on, then I'll go into doing my makeup. And I'll put some niacinamide from Kiehl's on, but I can't have ashy lips. So after I do everything, because I don't like to put this on and then rub everything in, because I feel like I'm rubbing this all over my face. But this is the new Laneige that I had re-upped on. This is it's a lip sleeping mask, but I have been wearing this pretty much all times a day when I'm not wearing any lipstick or anything like that. Sorry, y'all, I put too much. It's dripping, I put too much. Okay, so now we are heading up towards where we're taking photos. We're gonna meet the kids up there. The skirt is long because I'm short, and it keeps hooking on my skirt. I mean on my shoe, so I'm gonna fix that. I'll just show y'all when we get there. I was like, Sandra's so sweet. I saw your comment earlier. I was like, oh, thank you, Sandra.
She's getting so much better.
I'm trying.
She's really a content creator for real.
Girl.
They're like vampires.
You do.
Just giving Twilight.
Y'all giving Twilight vibes.
Oh, they are. Wait a minute. Look at my kids. Ah.
Oh, look at this.
It's giving Twilight.
Oh, I'm obsessed. Y'all look so good.
I love it. Look at my babies.
Stop.
Oh, was it?
Yes.
Oh.
And I literally had just got done saying.
She said everywhere we go.
No, listen. I was like showing my nails and Jada's nails. I was like, yeah, the same person did them. And then she walked by. Not yet. Everybody looks good. We gotta do the same foot, right? Yeah.
This foot. Left.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Wait, let's get that's the one that's uncovered and my skirt is still on.
Y'all hold hands. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait, no.
Wait. Let me get to the edge. Right foot. Yeah, can we get to the edge? Right foot? Everybody get to the edge. Let's do left foot.
We were doing left foot.
You said left.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go.
Sorry.
Look at each other, look at each other, laugh.
Daddy, you was a little late, man.
I was distracted. You gotta be on. I know. Focus.
Lock in, bro.
Lock in. Okay. Can we switch real quick? Let me fix my Kelvin.
Let me clear my throat.
Alright, I'm ready for y'all.
Hold on. Don't go. Left foot?
Yep.
Wait, we didn't time it.
I'll count down.
I didn't hear anything. I'm sorry.
Pistol start.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Now. There you go.
I'm sorry.
Yep.
Kevin started laughing.
No, I
got serious.
Oh, good.
I was sorry. It was funny.
Okay, one more again. One more. Last time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. I got it. Yup.
Got it.
Kel just said that. Can I get a little closer? Sure. Yeah, I get to see that. That's cute. Oh, look at all my grow out. Whoa. It's almost half my hair.
All right, everybody. So y'all know it would not be a vlog without me eating some food. I feel like I always go out to eat somewhere in my vlog, but we're gonna grab some food since we just finished taking pictures, have a little, you know, family dinner, and I don't know, we might do some Christmas stuff later. I have no idea.
He's hooked. Yay! I don't know, why does that always happen? I go out and I end up talking to somebody's baby. In the cut with my tongue, we bobbing. Yeah, like put the wine glass right there in front of the camera.
Oh, I didn't see it.
I may have more like where I'm like,
That is good.
dying laughing.
Ooh, that looks busty. I got you, mama. Let me know.
Top 5.
Girl.
I want a Nashville hot chicken sandwich.
Come back to me, come back to me, come back to me. I'm sorry.
The lobster garlic noodles.
Let me have it. Oh, I want the, what is that? What you get? The lobster? I'm gonna get the sesame shrimp. I didn't know what you said.
I'm gonna do it.
I said no.
The filet mignon.
How do you want it cooked?
Medium.
Medium.
And then you say you don't want it?
Thank you.
Very good piece of love.
Oh, that was so hard. I really wanted this noodles, and then he got it, and I was like, I'm gonna just try something.
Right.
Why you ain't get it?
I wrote that down.
Don't take shit.
Very good piece of love. In my note.
What's that? Look out.
It don't stink bad.
Oh, what's that?
What you drinking? Mama, what you think I'm drinking?
Margarita?
A strawberry margarita with a sugar in it. Yeah. You funny.
I've got the guy who did program.
I'm gonna have to order another drink. Oh wow.
Strangers thoughts after I say program. Oh yeah.
I win. You win? I win.
Let's see. That's the first time I ever heard you say it like that.
I got to see. We always have a competition of whose food is the best. For real. I just said I win. You gotta get some of the shrimp. I mean the vegetables. At least a mushroom and a piece of lobster.
Where's the lobster at?
There, yeah.
Oh, I thought that was a shell.
That guy, Kyrie, the last 3 years, was the top guy.
I don't see no mushroom, no spinach.
I had a mushroom. That's good.
Is everything tasting okay over here?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm listening. Who wins?
She got it. And we be competing.
That's so funny. I gotta start doing that.
We always see who's gonna order the best food. Or whose food is the best. Who picked the best food?
He's like the game day.
Yeah, you wanna try it?
I was lucky enough to get off game day.
Yeah.
I had him for I had his my entire.
What a big old piece of lobster.
Who? Damn.
It's juicy. It's filet.
And we was given, especially that picture of us on the stairs. She just did that with the like video, but she actually took those same pictures. You know what I'm saying? So those are gonna be fire. She gonna have a very hard time narrowing it down to 10 pictures. Okay, so we are back home and I'm about to take this makeup off and do my skincare, my nighttime skincare. I probably won't show you guys tonight just because I still have to edit this vlog, and so I won't show you because I need to start editing. But one of these vlogs, I'll show you my nighttime skincare routine, and maybe just my nighttime routine overall. But anyway, we had so much fun today. It's been forever since we took family photos. My son was probably, let's see, he's 15 now, so I'm guessing maybe he might have been 10. Because we were definitely still living in our old house before we bought this house, and we've been here for 5 years, so he might have been even younger than that. But long overdue family photos. We had so much fun. We had such good food. I had lobster, pasta, like with some kind of garlic sauce and shrimp and spinach and mushrooms, and yeah, I think that was it. And like lo mein noodles, which I don't normally do lo mein noodles, but that was actually really good. The sauce was good. The lobster was okay. But yeah, it was good. And then let's see what else. That's it pretty much. You guys saw it. I will insert a clip because we won't have the photos back yet, but my photographer or videographer slash photographer, niece/niece-in-laws, niece in love, she recorded a little clip of our photo shoot today that was so dope. And so I can't wait to show you guys that. But yeah, that's, you know, that's our day. We had so much fun. I'll share the final photos with you guys when I get those. And yeah, if you enjoyed this vlog, make sure you hit that like. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.